Hey guys, what's up? It's Doug here again at Hybrid Fitness, and today we're going to teach you how to do our top 5 resistance band or cable core exercises. Now for the torso twist, just like the paddle off press, let's grab this band with the outside hand, inside hand cups it. We're going to step out just a little bit with our arms straight, and then now from here, keeping our arms straight, we're going to pivot that inside foot and then rotate until the band hits my arm and come back slowly. For our wood chop, we're going to grab the band with both hands palm down, stepping out slightly, and then now the same thing as the torso rotation where we're going to bring the band all the way to where we touch our arm and pivot the inside foot. Now for the kneeling band crunch, let's grab the band, bring it right down into our body, hold it tight, and then now we're going to crunch it down and back up. Make sure you're pulling the resistance down with your core, not your arms. My arms are locked in, and as I crunch and I crunch my core, I'm pulling the band down with my core. Now for the reverse wood chop, we're going to take our outside hand and hold it, inside hand cups it, and now I'm bringing from the low anchor point up diagonal until it touches my body. For our kneeling wood chop, we're going to kneel rather, with our outside knee up, holding in the same position as we would hold the regular wood chop, and from here we're coming across our knee and back up. Now there's a quick tutorial for our top 5 resistance band or cable core exercises. If you like the video or learned anything, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Top 5 resistance band or cable core exercises. Throw them in your routine and let me know what you think.